Okay, for this episode, we will set this Sinotimer. So this is a timer for the AC or alternating current with different kinds of voltage. So I'm using a 220 volts, and this is my input from the power source, then the out coming from the Sinotimer, the output. So it will automatically turn off or on the appliances whichever I am plugging in. So how to set the Sinotimer is, first is you just need a sharp object, and this is the reset button setting the time. Okay, so now it's already reset and current is 1943. So 1943. So today is Tuesday. So you just need to long press the clock. So by the way, the settings for this is 24 hours. So you need to press and hold the clock. Then for the week and Tuesday. And since today is 7:43 p.m., so just hold the clock. Then for the hour, so wait. So since this is 24 hours, so 12 plus 7 equals 19. Okay, and 43. So just need to press the hold the minutes. So 43. Until we have set the time. 43. To be exact, 44. And now we have exactly set the timer. So now you can program each of the program. Like if you press, this is the program button, the manual, which will trigger the on and off. So currently, if there is no red light, then it's off, and if it won't turn off because it is unplugged. So I'm going to plug this to the real AC. Okay, and then if you set this, now it means that this plug is already active for 220 volts. Okay, and hopefully setting the clock was just that easy. You just need to hold the clock, set the week first, or the day of the week, and the hour, minutes. Okay, because you need to set the time and day, because you can program this timer to turn on daily whichever time of the week. So I'm planning to turn it on daily and regardless of the day, so every day will turn on. So for the programming, you will have a up to, that's the 1 on, 1 off, 1, 2 on, 2 off, 3 on. So let's check how many we can program. So up to 14 times you can turn it on and off. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 times. So for the on, you just need to set like this one, like every day, Monday, Tuesday, every day. It means if all are every day, then the hour will be what time. Like if you want to turn on the timer 8 a.m. and sharp, and another, so that's the first. Then for the week, so I'm gonna turn it on for 30 minutes, so an hour, so 8 up to 31, so 30 minutes. Okay, so that's how. So for the first turn on of the day, it will trigger 8 a.m. on, and it will shut down into 8:31. Okay, so that's the first trigger. So if ever you're going to use this for fan or ventilation, it's a very good application. Okay, so that's how you set the first, and if you need to program another on, then set it to number 2, on and off timer, and vice versa. So hopefully you find this video informational and exactly. So setting the clock and setting your first program. Thank you and see you around.